professional man work on another time.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Yard Life up and about another day, giving thanks to life as usual. You know me already. It's a blessing, man. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas to one and all. Yeah, man. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. Yeah, man. You know me already. Always keeping it positive. Yeah, man. Woo! This is yard, you know. Yeah, man. This is how we live daily. We just keep it real, you know me? No preservative, no additive. Yeah, man. But man, forgive me, subscribers, them, man. A special shout out this morning. Yeah, man. I forgot like, just I forgot like. As man talk about, so far man talk about the school. Yeah, man. And how the guiding can get applications in regards to the art program that I was attending. Yeah, man. But it's a blessing, man. Come on, man. Where are you all? Where are you all? Yeah, man.
Christmas morning.
Yeah, man. Christmas morning, everybody up and about with family. Yo.
Don't pass it to them.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, keeping it real, keeping it real. This is yard, you know? Real yard life. Yeah, man, I'm a day a yard, yeah. It's a blessed day, Christmas. Yeah, man. Christmas a yard, you know?
Yeah, can I have one box? One orange juice, please. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, young gentleman. The orange juice and finish, young man.
Finish?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Stick around a yard, man. Come a yard, man. Come a yard. Where are you all? Yeah, man. Come a yard. Come a yard. Come a yard. A lot to share, you know. Yeah, man. It's a blessing. Up and about in the countryside. I'm there giving thanks to life as usual. Yeah, man. Special shout out to my mommy. Yeah, man. Blessings, Miss Morgan. Yeah, man. You son up and about this morning and do the right thing. Yeah, man. No, me already, but come a yard, man. Come a yard. Chat with y'all. keeping it natural, keeping it vibrant. Yeah, man. Another blessed day. Merry Christmas. I see 8 person forward so far. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas every time, man.
Now, the box milk.
Box milk. $150 a pound, yeah? $150 a pound. Yeah, man. Even when Christmas Day, you know me already. I always up on a boat and I do the right thing, man. But they are shopping up. Yeah, man. I wanna say a special shout out. Yeah, man, to all of my community members, them, all of the people them from Somerset. One love, man, one heart. Yeah, man. And all of the people who live on the island. Jamaica land we love, you know. Merry Christmas, Jamaica. Yeah, man, this is hard, you know. Really hard life. And we hear just a whole lot of positive vibes. Yeah, man. As I said from before, we want to talk about the program. Yeah, man. School program that I was attending, the art program by Robert Lightburn High School. Yes, man. So all of you patrons out there will find the program interesting, or you have a family member, yes, man, where you want to probably join the program. Yeah, man, now is the time, you know. Yeah, man, you can get up, get about, and do the right thing. It's a blessing. Yes, man. But applications out, you know. Yeah, man, but I ready to talk about that yet. More see them numbers I go. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. This is Jamaica Yard Life. Yeah, man. And this is Jaden speaking. Yeah, man. And trust me, it's a blessed day. Stick around, man. A lot coming your way. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Like the energy. It's a blessing. Yo. I can see the numbers, those numbers going up. Yeah, man. So that means you all are tuning in. So just remember when you're forward, just hit the like button, yeah? Yeah, man. I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, man. Alright. blessings, man. Blessings every time. I'm going to the same way now. Yeah, man. But more I see them numbers that go up first. Yeah, man. I'm not going to tell you exactly what more I see them numbers at first. But I have to see them numbers that go up first. Yeah, man. Before we start chatting. I know I'm already chatting enough, you know. Yeah, man. What heap of chatting to do in the morning. Yeah, man. At Christmas, you know. And we have live. Enough people never get up this morning. You see me? Condolences for the one that my boss. Jano. Tell him, man. Life. Yeah, man. Life is the most important thing, you know. Once you have life, trust me, you're rich, you're wealthy. Yeah, man, you're nice. Life, man. Love your life, you know. I love the life that you live. Most naturally. Yeah, man. No matter how tough times get, I can tell you as I get a youth, get up, man, and get out there. You see? Yes, man. At the most, I have something great in store for you. Yeah, man. So, you know, you just do the right thing. Most naturally. Yeah, man. As I tell you from before, I have a lot to say about the school. Yeah, man. So, all of you patrons out there, all of them, the young men and young ladies out there who want to become part of the movement. Yes, man, a part of the art program that I was attending. Yeah, man. Now is the day, man, where you can get your application form. Blessings. Soon forward. Yeah, the day now we have to do what we have to do, see if we survive, but stick around. It's Christmas, man. Christmas a yard, Christmas a Jamaica. Man, but they have my shop. Yeah, man, just keeping it vibrant, you know. No already. Always giving thanks to life, man. No, it's not true. Alright, so 11 persons here so far. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas. Welcome to Jamaica Yard Life, you know. Yes, man. I'm there. It's a blessing. Let us sing, I know. Yeah, man, but you appreciate a good beat from time to time. Yes, man. Why my chat they don't want to come up? Why they may not come up at all? They don't want to come up. Come on, I'd like to see what you all are saying, but it's not coming up. Oh my bro. Live chat. Yo. Why is this not working? All message. Oh my bro. I'm not seeing the chat room. Why is this not working? It's just popping up on and off, on and off. Oh, I can't see what they are saying. Man, what's going on? seeing the chat, the comment here. I'm not seeing it, but I don't know what's going on. Oh my world. Oh, so it may not be visible. Holy smokes. All messages are visible. Guys, I'm not seeing your messages. I don't know what's going on. Sorry about that. But anyway, stick around, man. A whole lot to say. I'd love to see what you guys are saying, but it's not coming up. My world, man. And there is so much that I want to do this morning. Yeah, the reason why I'm sound like this, my sinus again from the other day, man. They went to give me a warm time. Trust me. Sometimes it's bad, but as I say, once you have life, we have everything. So get to my grandma who made remedy for my backyard and see if you can help me. Yeah, man. Probably if you guys know someone can help, text it in the comment here, even though I'm not seeing it right now, or just text it. Let's see what
We're not fast on the right style. We check the song for them on station.
Sir, you know, so alright, let me tell you what happened now.
Mr. Say yourself, this is me up here. You get one different.
Okay, well, the sinus like them all, man.
Alright, the silence. So that comes with just chip on everything.
Man, tell you what.
We say when we text me this morning and she say, you say,
Yeah.
we say me have a company, because we today or yesterday. You say, oh, let me look, we say, if I'm texting me, I'm going to money, I'm going to come back.
Yeah,
And the time last night, I got food patrol in my town as before. So we now worry about till tomorrow evening. Yeah, then yes, you pass with the cars my wife said me that so he tell me. So I said, so we start asking and I realize that nobody know not collect nothing.
Yeah, to a Christmas. But you know, I die one.
Tell me say there.
Hold on,
Then after that, I do have sometimes do it this way.
yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
The other day I put me and mess up one of them, I see you. See how it's good that too. Alright, she said the envelope. No, you're going to cry. But right now me I fill them in. Me I tell them about there's the program. Or they can go get the application there. Application form. Yeah man, me advertise it for the channel.
Oh.
Yeah man, I tell them say I'll be in there. Sometimes so I put in the work and
That's why I like white envelope also.
I eat me have it now. Yeah, but
Like that.
even if I reach that, and if I'm reach to the near reach there,
Yeah,
what I
yeah,
tell them.
tell me, say you come, somebody come here ask something, I said, then,
Yeah.
oh, but nobody has said, then I get nothing. So I said, sure.
The car key, please. 17 patrons. Yeah, I'm always up and about and I do a lot of stuff, yeah. So you know, say from your day it's like being a yard. Yeah man, so just stick around, a whole lot coming. Yeah man. And remember, like, share and subscribe. Yeah man. And hit the like button up there. I'd like to see them numbers going up. Yeah man. Stay tuned.
Merry Christmas, man.
Same to you.
You look tired.
Eh?
No.
I'm tired, I'm not sleep. The one night, me and them are playing me.
Up to them.
I don't know. I want to find to me and cook and all day with water at the same time.
And they had fire and they had fire. That's good enough. That's good. Man,
So
that's
when I bed, I know me, I try to figure out what I'm going to do. I know the house and that. I may have to wash me and I may have to eat after one the water.
That's the right one, yeah?
Is there another envelope in
I carry enough money in it. I'm only 20, right? But I'm not trying, man.
That's it.
Yeah, whatever. Very nice money in it.
Should.
Yeah, you know, it's
So I'm not trying to get back up to our retreat.
yeah man, you know my classmate there. One of my classmates there, it's a blessing man. Yeah man.
Alright,
But
come and work. Come and go.
always up and about and I do the right thing.
Alright,
Yeah,
thanks.
man. Guidance in us, sir.
Yeah, work tomorrow. You do something talk.
Yeah man, sir, just stay safe enough.
I want to know what you're
Yeah, man,
stressing
blessings,
out,
man.
so.
Yeah.
I want to know why you're stressing out yourself, like up and down and things. You just love driving up and down?
At the work.
Only them time of year.
At the work. At the work, it's rough.
Time of year.
It's rough.
Yeah, last night about 2 o'clock, me and sleep, I smoke in there. And I hear some Buddha say, Mr. Guy, let's about that. And then he said, oh, Mr. Guy was busy. And I said, yeah, I said, like, you know,
Rough in us, sir.
hey, see last night,
Yeah.
I must see about 11:35.
Yeah. Yeah, blessings, Tommy. Sir, before you move, would you mind to give me a Merry Christmas? Yeah, man. See everybody in the background here.
Merry,
Blessing, man.
Merry
Yeah, man. So I yard with there now.
Merry Christmas.
All right. And I want love, man.
when it's forward. Bless
Dada, take
Yeah,
care of your
Yard
beer.
style.
All right. Blessings. Guidance to that, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Yeah, man. And this is how we do it. Keep it natural. Tommy there.
Special, but that's special.
No, you want on the
Tommy, I
special,
said,
man. Don't get jealous.
I must drink a beer. You know me already.
Come on,
Yeah,
man.
man. We're giving thanks, man, for life, you know. So,
Can't buy it.
a special shout out to Red Stripe, yeah, man. Merry Christmas.
Both
Yeah,
boy.
man. But Tommy, I sort out this feeling. Give thanks, daddy, man. Give thanks a million times, man.
Make I get you something.
You know. Alright, what you want it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. One today, here, it's a blessing.
Dada, me nasty.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Tommy, you know it, go, man.
Alright, man.
Blessings, man.
Straight.
Yeah, man. Jamaica yard, like, it's a blessing. Yeah, man. It's a chin-chin road to my shop, yeah. I'm never open about it. Yeah, man. Always I do the right thing.
Who is it? Yeah?
Yes.
Which one?
35.
Yeah. Can't spend
May I come here, Chin Chin?
The
The baby, yeah, can I see my come?
I saw we have here.
2 eggs, please.
Last night. Last night.
Alright, sorry. Yeah, man. Me serve 2 eggs. No, listen, me I serve 2. Yeah, man. Give thanks, eh. Yeah, man. Blessings.
Police! Yeah.
Sir. Miss White, I call you.
How are you going to do it?
Now,
Where are you going to be here?
Yeah, man. Shout out to the other family. Merry Christmas. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas. A small spot.
they didn't look down so far. Eh?
I'll WhatsApp you.
Yeah, man. This is hard. Really hard, man. So I'm always up and about and I do the right thing. Yeah. Yeah, man. And it's a blessing when we get the opportunity to carry you all with me. You know, just,
No,
my yard, man, as I tell you, it's like living.
down.
Yeah, man.
No man, but you know Miss White, if because say you know convenience here, but when you know say you jump in and try to do something that's what you just
I don't know why I can't see what the comment. Yeah, man, I can't see the comments. I don't know what's the problem. Yeah, man, but I'd like to see what you all are saying at the moment. I can't see. Alright, later, Chincha. Yeah, man, I can't see it. But, you know, one for the yard. I'm going to show you all around, yeah, man, the countryside. It's the best thing. It a flourish same way, you know. Yeah, man. Check it this morning. Let's see. Something a bite them, may have some caterpillar problem, you see? Caterpillar them a bite the peppers. Oh my world, man, look at that. So you go do. We have to live down. Yeah, man. It's a blessed day in the countryside. Oh, up and about and I do the right thing. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas to the Yard Life family. Merry Christmas every time. Yeah, man. Trust that you all up and about. Yeah, man. And I do the right thing from morning. And I stay safe. Yeah, man. You know the energy go. That time near the season. Yeah, man. So we have to protect ourselves, you know. Stay safe with your mask. Yeah, man. Walk with your hand sanitizer. Yo. Yeah, man. But I go back a shop, so come with me. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Mas é very personal about that. This one already has us making without buying food to sell. We are enjoying the city.
Yeah, man. I'm there with the Yard Life family. Yeah, man. I didn't show you all Pebbles from morning, you know. Yeah, man, Pebbles is a busy girl, she always up and about, you know. And the chicken in there as well. Yeah, man. Pebbles. Where's she turn? She's gonna run for walk up and down, you know. Oh, see her here. Say good morning. See them there? Say good morning. Yeah, man. Pebbles that, you know. More yourself, man. So see more Pebbles in due time, you know. Come, hold on. All right. Pebbles, the morning. Say good morning. See? That's a Yard Life family. Yeah, man. Them always watch your daddy, you know. Say Merry Christmas. Tell them Merry Christmas. It's a Merry Christmas, Yard Life family. It's a blessing. Real blessing, man. Still up and about, you know. Keeping it natural, you know. Yeah, man, this is yard. The sun warm. This is yard, you know. Really hard life. It's a blessing. Oh my phone battery are dead. Yeah man, it'll run down. Yeah man, but I have to run back to the charger. I don't know why I can't see the comments. Yeah man, I don't know what's the problem with the comments, but I'm not seeing the comments at all. Oh. Alright, for all you all out there that wants to join the program that I was attending, yeah man, now is the right time. You can go by Robert Lightman High School, yeah man, that's in St. Thomas. Yeah man. And you just get a form and fill out all of the necessaries and drop it off back by the school. Yeah man. So it's a simple process man, nothing too hard. Yeah man. So you just get your necessaries together and go down by Robert Lightburn High and tell them that you're here for a form. Yeah man, you can't go wrong. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. Remember, this is yard, really hard life.